Hello kids, I hope you are fit and fine. Today we will learn about A sound words. Short sound of vowel A. A-D, A-P, A-G, A-T. Okay, now we have to make words using A-D. H-A-D, had. D-A-D, dad. L-A-D, lad. Good. M-A-D, mad. And S-A-D, sad. Okay, again, by using A-P, we have to make words. Let's start with the first word. C-A-P, cap. You all have caps, right? Okay. G-A-P, gap. L-A-P, lap. We always like to sit in our parents' lap, right? M-A-P, map. S-A-P, sap. Okay, now next. A-G. R-A-G, rag. G-A-G, gag. T-A-G, tag. B-A-G, bag. You all have school bags, right? W-A-G, wag. Okay, again, the next one. A-T. Okay, how many words we can make with A-T? Let's see. B-A-T, bat. Yes, C-A-T, cat. H-A-T, hat. F-A-T, fat. R-A-T, rat. Very good. Now you have to say aloud. A-I. G-A-I-N. Gain. R-A-I-N. Rain. We all love rains, right? P-A-I-N. Pain. C-H-A-I-N. Chain. Very good. Now we will take A-Y. P-L-A-Y. Play. C-L-A-Y, clay. B-R-A-Y, bray. Who does the brace? Donkey, yes. S-P-R-A-Y, spray. Very good. Now, A-E. C-A-K. E, cake. M, A, K, E, make. B, A, K, E, bake. T, A, K, E, yes, take. Very good. Now you have to read aloud with me. A boy along with the dog came. Both of them played a ball. Neha bakes a chocolate cake. Take it with banana shake. Okay, now we have to do a quick activity. You have to match the rhyming words. Okay, now tell me, what goes with chain? What is the rhyming word for chain? Good, it's rain. R-A-I-N, rain. You need to match chain with the rain. Okay. Spray. What goes with spray? Good, it's tray. T-R-A-Y, tray. Spray, tray. You need to match spray with the tray. Very good. What goes with skate? S-K-A-T-E, skate. Good. It's plate. P-L-A-T-E, plate. You need to match skate with the plate. Okay, now who will tell me what goes with male? Amazing. It's tail. So you need to match male with tail. Very good. Okay, let's do another activity. Make words using the given letters. So you have to make words using the letters Y, R, A, I, P, L. Okay, now make the words, please. Good. Okay, let's start. Y-A-K, yak. R-A-T, rat. Good. A-N-T, ant. I-N-K, ink. P-A-D, pad. L-A-D, lad. Okay, now odd one out. You have to take the odd one out. Let's start with the first one. T-A-P, tap. P-A-D, pad. D-A-D, dad. Now who will tell me what is the odd one? Good. T-A-P, tap is the odd one. Now next. G-A-I-N, cane. S-N-A-I-L, snail. R-A-I-N, rain. Now who will tell me which is the odd one? Good, it's snail. Next. R-A-C-E, race. F-A-C-E, face. B-A-K-E, bake. Amazing, it's bake. Alright. P-A-Y, pay. W-A-V-E, wave. M-A-Y, may. Good one, that's a wave. So kids, I hope you have understood what we have learned today and you need to practice it more and more to be perfect in this.